Step 1, I'm just going to use my hands in a little cloth reusable cotton pad. Turn off the water. Save water. Thank you. Number 2, Pore Refining Toner. Gives you a nice little sting after you put it on. Okay, where was I? Open up those pores. Look at that. Nice and open. Good Ordinary. I actually don't know what the hell this is. I just saw it on an article. Little dab. Little dab. And last but not least, everyone's favorite SPF. This is like a moisturizing SPF. That's my morning routine. Love you lots. Alright, now I'm gonna get to the PM routine. So I have 5 steps for this guy. Actually 6. First is to shower though, and I did that, so already done with step 1. So step 2 is this guy. So I use those cotton pads again. I just squirt one twice. This is a lifesaver, by the way. Okay, that was 1. Step 2, vitamin C cleanser. I use this one because it's like $10. Got it on Amazon. Step 3 is again The Ordinary, hashtag sponsor us. Yeah, so it's just this like thing, I don't know. Oh, this is not an ad, by the way. I thought I should let you all know. Step 4, this thing. It's like 2 pumps into my hand. Actually, one's good. It's like. And my last step is the Aveeno Skin Brightening Daily Scrub Cleanser. It's like an exfoliator. You can get any kind, I think. I don't know. Wash that off. Anybody who uses robes know it's super hard to freaking not get this part wet. Super wet. Hot job. and go to bed. Good night. So yeah, now all you have to do is follow us so that people can sponsor us, so that we can do brand deals and make lots of money. So yeah, hashtag swipe up. Bye.